Look guys, can you believe it? Yesterday I was cleaning solar panels and today we have a nice tropical shower. Just unbelievable. Hi guys, I was just comparing my PV generation numbers with the previous months and with the same months of last year, and I noticed that I'm making 10% less energy than I did last year the same time. So the reason cannot be the weather. We are in the middle of dry season, blue sky only. But there's a difference from this year than the last. And this is that usually when there's dry season in Thailand, you still might have one shower during the month, which will clean off the solar panels. But this year, this did not happen. We are now in the third month without rain. And yeah, this is what then is happening. The solar panels are completely full of dust. These ones here in the front, which are quite clean, those I have just installed as a completely clean ones 3 weeks ago when I moved them from another place, but there in the back you can see those have not been washed off for at least 3 months now. We of course also do have bird poo on all of these panels. Yeah, you know exactly how I like these kind of jobs, and I did not clean solar panels for at least 5 years now. Last time I did it, I even made a video about it. It's on my channel and it's really many years ago. So, but this can't stay like this because I want of course to have maximum output, especially when it's getting hot now and the demand is very high. So I've ordered a set for cleaning solar panels and got it already. So let me just show you what I've got. And yeah, then we need to do something against this dust here. This is the box which I've got. I've ordered this, of course, as always by myself. There is no sponsoring, no gift or anything. It's from a Thai online shop, but the item came straight from China. I've paid about $60, but this looks quite nice and really of good quality. So what did I get? I got a solar panel cleaning brush. It looks like this, and it does have 4 nozzles built in. See it from this side here. And then you have these hoses and adapters, splitters here, where you can connect this one to your water hose. And then the only thing you need to choose is how many meters of pole you want to have to your set. And I have chosen 6 meters. That should be enough for my systems here. So here I have 6 1-meter aluminum poles, and this can be connected together. And yeah, so this is the cleaning kit. Looks really nice, and I think with this one the work should be quite easy enough. I'm avoiding this kind of job because it is quite a hard job to clean solar panels if you don't have the right tools for it, because you have to climb around and all this with brushes and water hoses. Yeah, it's not so easy. So here I've assembled the tool for my first try to clean solar panels. You just need to plug in these small hoses here into the brush, and then these splitters here. I've used 4 meters of the pole for the time, and then you will end up in a single hose here. I've used cable ties initially to secure them on the pole. Later I will use the Velcro cable ties which I've ordered. Then you have this small hose here, and this is then at the end connected to this valve, and here you have then the part which goes into one of the adapters. There are 4 different adapters in the set, and I'm using this one which goes into a normal water hose. So I just plug this in here, and now I can go and open the water, and here is also a handle so you can shut off the water and open it right outside where you are. So this one will be the first one I want to try, and then we will just work our way through until the biggest area there, the garage. And then I also have this one here on the carport and smaller ones on each side. There's a lot of work, maybe 70 panels to clean. Yeah, it's working quite nicely. The dirt is coming off. But the worst is the poo, of course. But the trick with these kind of tools is that you always have the water flow, and that gives you the chance to get all this stuff off the glass on top. So yeah, the first pass over this area is done. And of course I won't do more than one wash here, because this is already restoring at least 90% of the lost power. So these ones here, which are a little bit flatter into the sky, they have been also more dirty. But yeah, like this, it's quite okay. And unfortunately, it will only last for 1 month, and you would have to repeat this anyway again. But until then, I'm hoping that there will be some rain showers in between, and this should then be good for this year, hopefully. Yeah, the work is finished. How did it go? Well, it took me 2.5 hours. And the most important is that you have a good flow of fresh water through the brush, because you are actually just scrubbing off the dirt, and at the same time you are just washing it away, right? So quite good outcome, but still I'm hoping that within the next few weeks we will then still have a tropical shower, which will then do the work for me. But what will it bring? I have actually already looked into the generation just before, and for the area here at the garage, which is feeding the hybrid inverter behind me, yesterday at 12:40 I have generated 1.78 kilowatts, and today at exactly the same time, after cleaning the panels, it was 1.98, so 200 watts more. You can of course compare the production of 2 days, but today it's not much different than yesterday, and it's not just a blue clear sky, it's a little bit murky sky anyway. So I think it's at least a good indicator that this will bring back the 10% which I'm missing. Good. If you are interested in a tool like this, of course, you know I'm not affiliated with anybody. You have to research your market, but you can get something like this on any online platform worldwide, I guess. Just do a little bit research and you will find it for sure. So if you found this interesting, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I see you in the next time.